today I am back with an exciting little video. I have got something very exciting just popped through my letterbox. And I didn't order this. This has very kindly been sent to me by Crafty Planning. This is a Halloween advent calendar. Now, Halloween advent calendars are quite a new thing, aren't they? They've only been going for the last couple of years, and the concept is obviously pretty self-explanatory. It's the same type of deal as a Christmas advent calendar, except you open it up to the run-up of Halloween, except if you're me, because I am impatient. I'm going to open this on video right now. So there is going to be a little spoiler alert on this video. Obviously, I'm about to open this entire thing. So if you have purchased the Crafty Planning Halloween Advent Calendar and you don't want to know what's inside it, then this is not the video for you. You need to click off and I will catch you in the next one. But for everybody else, we're going to have a look at what is in here. First of all, this packaging, or the packing tape anyway, I'm going to turn it over so you can get a better look at it, is the cutest thing ever. I love this whole vibe. So my favourite kind of Halloween vibe, two things really. I love really super cute Halloween stuff like this, and I love witchy stuff. So yeah, I'm not a massive fan of really realistic spooky stuff. I've got no idea what's in here, by the way. This just popped through my door, as I said. I have opened it up just to see, because I was like, what's this? And then I realised. So if we open it up, inside we have got a little packing envelope with a Hello, I am Rachel sticker on it. I'm going to get that off and reuse it. And then this is what it says in the lid. Happy Halloween. Thank you so much for your order. I really hope you love your Halloween goodies. There are 14 pouches inside the box with a spooky place to keep all your goodies safe too. The first pouch with your initial on the front is where the countdown begins, and the little extra gift at the end to say Happy Halloween from me to you. If you share these goodies on your social media, don't forget to tag Crafty Planning and you might just get a spooky reward as a thank you. So that's what it says. Thank you so much, Jodie, for sending this to me. I am very, very lucky. I'm very spoilt by a lot of shop owners. I'm very lucky, and I do appreciate it. So we've got a little packing envelope. Now, as I said, I wasn't quite sure what this was at first, so I didn't read that thing on there, because you know what I'm like. I'm like a child that's got no self-control. What is it? What is it? And I did get into it, and then I realised. So your last warning, if you don't want to know what's in here, you need to click off. Are you gone? Okay, so for the rest of us, what does it say? We've got 14 pouches inside the box with a spooky place to keep all your goodies. I'm going to put that to the side and I'm going to save that sticker. Okay, so we have got a spooky place to keep all your goodies. I love this. This is obviously a little pouch, a little pencil case. I'm going to have to hide this from Paige. She absolutely will want it, and I definitely don't want to share it. I love a good pencil case. So we've got that. So we can you hear her? She's in the living room. She's off poorly today. Well, she was off poorly yesterday, but her school rule is the 24-hour thing if you've got a certain thing that I don't want to mention on the channel going on. I'm sure you can all realise what I'm saying, but yeah, she's going to be off. But she said, I heard that when I said I don't want to share. So we've got 13 days in here, and then one with no number on it, which is this one. So let's push those to the side and let's start with this one. So we have got a little clip on here. I think it's picking up on the camera, but that's a purple one, a lilac one. That is cute. I know that's not like part of the thing. Bonus. Then we have got a Halloween R for Rachel. This is like medieval vibes. Cute. These little envelopes are adorable. Now then, if I attempt to rip things, I'm worried that I'm going to rip what's inside. So are we best this way? We'll do it this way. I don't want to rip what's inside the things. Okay, so this is just a little added extra. It says a little extra gift at the end. Oh, I'm supposed to open this last, but hey ho, you can't tell me what to do. Right, okay. Oh, you see, it's got me already. It's got me already. So first of all, we have got a little sticker. We've got a holographic moon. This is like the crackled glass holographic. You're better on there to see it, aren't we? Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it. Then we've got a countdown to Halloween, which is this. We've got 30 days to Halloween. That's cute. And then the last thing we've got some spooky checklists. Very pretty. So this is the cute Halloween type of thing that I love. So we'll put that to the side. Just trying to think if I want to put them back in the envelope to do pictures for Instagram. I have done pictures for Instagram of it unopened, but I don't think I will this time. Right, okay, so we've got day number 1. Let's get in here then. Let's move that to the side as well. So in number 1 we have, oh, there's a few things. There's a couple of things. Oh, you see, this is a bit of me, isn't it? You see, Jodie knows. She knows. So we've got these cute little jars with all of the little Halloween things inside. These colours and this vibe are just totally up my street. I love it. Love those. And then we have got some, what are these? Some things for appointments. So you got like doctors, and then if you've got something with a time on it, these are cute. You don't have to just use those at Halloween either, do you? I know they're the colours of the other things in the box, but they're not actually Halloween themed. So you can use those any time of the year. Love that. Day number 2 then. Did I put them on the table in the order that they should be? Don't be stupid. I just put them all over the place. Number 2 then. Every time I see a bat, I think of Caroline from Princess Honey. It's freaking bats. I think it every single time. Anybody else? Nope, just me. Right, then let's get in here. Oh, you see, there's going to be a lot of ooh in. You know what I'm like when I open these advents. So we've got a moon sticker, which is obviously what I love. This is so cute. Oh, I love these stickers. And then we have got some tiny little to-do icons as well. And again, same colourway, but not Halloween specific. I love that. Brilliant. Number 3 then. These envelopes are so sweet. Okay, what do we have in here? We have got, it's looking, I mean, I've only opened 3 of them. Three of them. But it's looking like there's more than one thing in each envelope. Don't quote me on that as we get like further, but that's good, isn't it? So even though you've only got 13 envelopes, I mean, essentially you're going to get around about double. So we've got some very, very sweet bats and pumpkins and cats. And then we have also got some shopping icon stickers. Love those. Day number 4. Day number 4. Let's get in here. Oh, we saved that one. I'm going to see if I can save at least one of these bats, because I'm going to stick it in the back of my Stalogy, just as a little reminder that I had this. Then we have got, okay, oh, there's a couple of sheets in here. There's 3, so we've got some deco. Very sweet, love these. We've got some more deco. Oh, look at the little Doberman. Chris wants a Doberman. I'm not sure that I'm so keen. And then we have got some icons which are Happy Mail or writing letters, and then a little fountain pen and a normal pen. Very, very cute. What day was that? Day number 5. Next in this one we have got, oh, we've got some more cute deco. I love the ghosties on there. And then we've got some bats as well at the back there. Number 6. Number 6 we have got some more sheets here. We've got some more deco. This is cute. Oh, those, what do you call those, you guys that get them in America? I did a box swap once and I got sent some. They are just a mouthful of sugar, aren't they? Wowzers. I think they might have been the sugariest thing I'd ever put in my mouth. Not that that was a bad thing, but I'm just saying I wasn't expecting it. And then we've got some hydration stickers as well. That takes us into number, is there anything else in there? Is that just puffed up with air? That's just puffed up with air. Where did that take us to? Number 7? Number 7. Day number 7. Day number 7, we have got, oh, I love this one. Oh, this might be my favourite deco sheet so far. This one's really sweet. How cute is she? And I love her little house. She lives in a spooky castle. And then we've got some medication and some ladies' time stickers on there. Very nice. That takes us to day number 8. And in here we have, oh, Ooh, we've got some spooky cupcakes. They're very sweet. We have got some boxes you can write on that are Halloween themed. And we've got some bin date and some cleaning stickers. Love those. Love those, love those, love those. Then we've got day number 9. Now day number 9 is a bit thicker than the other ones. There's something in here, I think. So let's have a little look. What do we have? Oh, what's this? Huh? There's stickers in here as well. We've got some deco. Love these flowers. We've got some page flags. Oh, it's a pin. Oh my God, it's a pin and it's so cute. Oh, I keep all my pins on my pencil case. You probably see them in my Plan With Me videos. My pencil case pops into that every now and again. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, that is adorable. That is absolutely adorable. I love it. It's just got the usual little pin on the end to put it in the pencil case. Oh my God, I love it. Favourite thing so far. Favourite thing so far. I love that so much. Let's pop that back in there. Wasn't it packaged nicely as well? So that was day number 9. Day number 10 then. We've got some more stickers in here, I think. Ooh, oh, I love these. Some more deco. And we have got some spooky cups of coffee and some spider's webs. Cute. Day number 11. Oh, I've loved this. Day number 11, we have got some baby dragons. Oh, they're so cute. Look at them. How could you think they're scary? They're cute. Got some knives, forks and plates to mark when you're meal tracking. Love those. I'll get some use out of those, definitely. And then we have got day number 12, which is the penultimate one. And in here we have got... oh, we've got some quarter boxes. And we have got some half boxes. I like these. They are very pretty. And then on to day number 13, which is the last one, we've also got something a bit special in here, I can see, because the envelope's not flat. Let's have a look what's in here then. We have got, oh, there's a bit in here. Ooh, I think that's everything, yep. So we've got some more deco. And we have got some spooky skulls. They're so funny. And then what's in here? Oh my God. I've already seen what tarot card it is. It's the moon. I love that. I have this as a pendant, a gold pendant, but I don't have the chain for it. I need to buy a chain for it. And it sits in the little pocket on my Cricut. And every now and again I look at it and think, oh, I need to buy a gold chain for that. Oh, this is so me. So we've got a little pom-pom there. It's a little bit squashed at the minute, but that'll find its shape again soon. You can see it's already coming back out there. And then we have got that to put your keys on, and a little clip if you wanted to clip it on your handbag. And then we've got the moon pendant there as well. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. That's awesome. Brilliant. Really happy with that. So we have got lots of bits and pieces here. Let's play the game where I put them in piles of what things I like and I'll use and what things I won't. I don't know, it's just a fun game that I like to play now. I've started doing it, haven't I? So I feel like I have to do it all the time. So let's get everything to the side. There's genuinely not going to be much that I don't... When I say that I don't like as well, just to be specific, I don't mean that I don't like. I just mean that possibly don't fit in with my particular planning style. Although I'm using a lot more stuff that I wouldn't have ordinarily used because I've started journaling, and I'm really quite... I don't know, quite sort of unorganised in my journal. I just go with whatever the mood takes me. So it's not necessarily any kind of theme. Look at all the stickers we got in there as well, by the way. That's amazing. Okay, so the pin. absolutely 100% I'm in love with, and yeah, definitely keep. Love that as well. I'm going to keep that. I know it's not part of the thing, but I love the little purple clip, so you can go over to that side. We've also got the little pouch. Love that. I'm going to keep that. There we go. So we've got the R for Rachel. Love that, love that, love that. I do like them, but I need to know, I need to have a look at what other stuff there is that's going to go with them. Love that, love that. Oh, I love that. Favourite, love that. Love that, love that. Love those. I do like this sheet, but I think I'm probably only going to use those two from it. Can still go over here though. Love this one. Love this one. Not sure I'll get any use out of those, so I'm going to put those over on that side. Although I could use them in my journal, couldn't I, for a little spooky Halloween page. Love these. Love these. Might be my favourite one. Love this. I'll use the pills, but I won't use those just because I don't mark that. I love this. Won't use those because I don't mark when I have a drink. Love those. Possibly won't use those again because I don't use those like that. Love that. Love these, love these, love these. Not sure I'll use the skulls. Love those, love those, love those, love those, love those, and I love those. There's so much in here that I've loved. I'm really happy that I got that. Thank you so much, Jodie. That is super sweet of you to send that to me. These ones will not go to waste. I might keep hold of those actually because, yeah, I might use them in my journal. And I think these ones I will give to little Paigey. So, yeah, that's everything that was in this year's Halloween Advent Calendar from Crafty Planning. Now, I'm not sure if this is still available in the shop to pick up. I think they sold out and she's posted them all out. However, I do know that she's been doing Christmas Advent Calendars, and that might give you a little, obviously you're not going to get Halloween things in it like this, but it will give you a little indication of the types of things that Jodie puts in there and the style of her shop. Guys, I love Crafty Planning. I do have a code as well. I think it's Rachel sent me. You can't use it against advent calendars or anything, but you can use it in the shop for a little discount. But yeah, that's everything that was in the Crafty Planning Halloween Advent. I've loved it, and that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!